Yo, what's up guys? It is me, TGaming UK here, back with another tutorial on how to script, which is actually my first one. So, today, I'm teaching you something you very much probably is gonna need for your game, if you're trying to make a good game, like Miner's Haven. And no, this is not a building thing, and you can see by the title what it is already. So let's just get straight into this. So, we start off by making a part. On this part we just make it a little skinny, maybe make it a little less big. Do I have any plugin to? Yeah, this is just rig builder block rig. Where's this guy? See, that's how big we have it right now. Let's make it a tiny bit smaller, maybe a little wider. That's better. I'm not a good builder. And we're gonna anchor this part, and we're just gonna call this global leaderboard. Well, we're gonna call it anything we want to, just remember the name. Then we wanna go here. Oh no, before we do this, we wanna go here. What we're gonna insert is we will be inserting, if I can find it, a surface GUI, which is right there. I'm just gonna call this a, where is this? LB GUI, I like that. Then in here I am going to be inserting two folders. This one is going to be called holder, and this one is going to be called top. And keep that in mind, holder is very important, and the top bar is also kind of important, but not as important from what I'd say. Like the top part is just a small little thing here, but you can make it in any way. I'm just gonna really quickly make it a, oops, I didn't mean to do that. It's gonna be one across, and let's see how 0.1 would be kind of big, but we'll figure it out. Inside here I will insert a text box, which we would say player. Call this player, let's see, change it to source size bold and text scale. Change its size, oh, not 0.50, just 0, 1, 0.3, and go to 0.5. Oops. That was down. I'm a good GUI maker, ain't I? Okay, that's way too big. So 4, so we'll do 0.3 by 0.3 to make it go better. And yeah, we're gonna now remove its border size pixels because we do not like those. Then we're gonna add a, no, do I have these text buttons top? Oh my god, they're not supposed to be buttons, they're supposed to be labels. Okay. I really apologize for being bad at this. 0, 1, 0.1. No, that's tiny. 0.2. Oh, maybe 0.4. No, that's just a 0.2. I am really bad at this, by the way. Then we want to go to anchor point and say 0.4, and change its position to 0.4 in the x-axis, not the y. And then after getting the player here, I will obviously also change its little text here. God damn it! Bold here. Let's see. This is the current one, you can see. Bold. Let's just call you for the. Here we're gonna write player. Then we'll take the other one, and we will put its position to. Its anchor point is gonna be set to 1, and its position is gonna be set to 1. Because this is gonna be the amount of something. Let's see. It's gonna be how much cash you got, and we can actually put this here. So let's see. player here, we can actually put you at 0.5. I thought it would look weird, but I guess nope. 0.5.5. Perfect, good. It does actually look very weird. Back to 0.4. Like that. Looks better. So now that we got this, we will copy this, change its size. Oh yeah, and hold it. We also gotta change this size to 1 over, and this top bar size is 0.1 down, so 1 over and 0.9. Now change its Y position to 0.9 and its anchor position to 0.9. Because let's see if you select this, and we want to make it like black, and we set 0, then you can see it's gonna be like perfect. In a way, it's sort of perfect, sort of. This top bar here, 0.1, 0.1, 0.9, 0.9. I don't know, it's supposed to be a 1. Not the position, oops. That's supposed to be 1. Now it's perfect, that's just it. So make it go back at that. Now with this new top bar, pull it in here. Here, change its size to 0.7 or whatever you want. Let's change your position to, oh no, that's way too much. I meant to do 0. And this leaderboard, just because it's for testing. Oh yeah, also make another one here for the rank. Make it size like 0.1 by 0.1. Make it go to 0 by 0. Oh crap. It's too long in the X, 0, 8. And then call this the hashtag. Or don't call it, do that, hashtags. So now you can see that's the rank, that's the player, and that's the cache, and then up here just shows. So we're gonna make this a top 5. And now this top bar, we're gonna call it LB frame. And we will, let's see, put it in there. Remove that. So now that we got global leaderboard and frame set up, we finally going to insert a script here for the handler. So global leaderboard. So now that we've got this, say local cache ODS equals to game get service data store service get order data store, because that's what you use for global leaderboards. Now you can say anything in here basically. I just use cache ODS because it's short for cache order data store. But now that you got all this, do a local function handle. And then say if not success, then error. And this is going to be used now for the next, which is going to be local pcall, a local success, error equals to a pcall function there, and that's going to be under there. Because either a pcall can do a success or error, and if it's errors, we're gonna print it, because here we're gonna error the error, so it's gonna show it as an error, like red. But so now that we've done all of this, we want to say local data equals to hash ODS get sorted async. False, comma, and then 5, because we want to make it go to 5, because yeah, this is just a testing purpose. And then what we're gonna say now is that we're gonna say local cache page equals to data get current page, and then we're gonna say for underscore for rank comma data in I pairs cache or not ODS cache page do the local name equals to data dot key with lowercase local points equals to data dot value with a lower v. Now that we got this set up, then we're gonna set up for it to make the position here of the entire thing. So it's gonna like, it will position the thing where you want it. So local new obj equals to game to replicate storage wait for child, and then do lb frame or whatever you call it. Clone. You want to clone it, otherwise it's not gonna error. I tested this. I taught myself how to make this earlier, and you should say I failed quite a few times. But new obj dot player, and I suggest, by the way, doing this dot text dot I can spell today. Dot text equals to name. New obj dot rank dot text equals to dot dot, or that hashtag dot dot rank. And I like doing it like this because that's the I or the rank or the underscore that I normally use underscore. You know what I mean. But now we're gonna appear say new obj dot cache dot value or cache dot text. I've done that again. Equals to cache. We're not gonna say points because we're not messing with that. I really can't spell today, can I? Then we're gonna say new obj dot position, and it's not here. Unit 2. This is the thing that's gonna position. New obj dot position. Oh my god, I really can't. Position dot y dot scale plus bracket 0.07, because that's just gonna go one bigger. Oh wait, oops, 0.06. Oh my god, I just deleted the frame. Oops. The position plus 0.08 times hashtag game workspace dot global leaderboard dot lb dot holder get children. So we're basically putting its position plus 0.08 times how many things there are in here. So let's say there are 2 in there, and then it's gonna make number 3. It's gonna be 0.08 times 3 plus its current position. So that's basically what we're doing, and that's gonna position. Oh whoops, I think I forgot to do something here. I forgot to add that onto it. What if I did that? Oh yeah, we'll come in. We also got to say comma 0 here. So let's just go here. This is embarrassing. So new obj dot parent equals to game dot workspace dot global leaderboard dot lbgy dot hold. So now we put its parent to there. So now that its parent is getting there, we're gonna make a loop down here while a true do wait 10, because we want it to start off like right when we join the game. It's gonna do something instead of being like something else. So while true do wait 10 seconds. So now for underscore comma player in pairs game dot players get players do let's see cache ODS set async player dot name comma player wait for child leader stats dot cache, and the second argument you put here is going to be what it's going to say, or display the, what is it called, the cache here. The data dot value is the second argument down here, so we set it to its cache value in the leader stats, which we could change to anything we wanted to. So now we got that. So that's just gonna basically make it actually do stuff. It's setting the async, the value, the player's name, all of that to add it. So now we're gonna have for underscore v pairs game dot workspace dot global leaderboard.lbgy. Holder get children do if v.name equals lb frame, just to make sure it's the right thing we're destroying, then we destroy. And see, this is why we made it a function, by the way, because then right after all this we just simply call the function, and if we check this out, it should work. It's not that hard to make it, by the way. Oh yeah, and now that we're testing, this is where my studio is crashing on me as always. I wanted to tell you something. I did not originally figure this out myself. I learned it from a guy called Song, which he didn't show that you have to set the async, so I had to figure that out by myself and my own logic, and it's obviously not working. Let me add a new data store script here. Data store, just to add the leaderboard here. So that's the local phone. Oh my god, I can't really spell. Local basic stream players. Local ls equals to I'm so good at this instance name. Folder. Else name equals to else dot local cache equals to name. We're gonna do a number value because that can go way higher than int value. Else cache dot value equals to, and now we're adding a data store up here. So local data equals to gain the word. Local data equals to gain get service. Data store get data. Oh no, that's order data store. That's for global data. Get data store cache data store. So cache value equals to data get async player user ID or 0, and then cache dot name equals to, remember to do that. So let's see, get a players dot player removing connect. So now that the player's removing, we're not have to the data set async players user ID comma player dot stats dot cache dot path. There we go. And so the reason why we're not doing it when it gets changed is you could over throttle the system if it's changing like every millisecond, and I think I did something wrong here with this stuff, and my mouse just froze. Leader stats is not a valid member of player. You can see it's displaying as an error. Folder at cache. Oh yeah, that's oh no wait, that's getting set there. So cache dot interesting. Oh yeah, I forgot to call the function. Game dot player add connect. So that's an embarrassing mistake. I forgot to call the function when a player gets added. Oh, it's called value. That's not good. Maybe that's because we changed its name. Or 0. Cache.name equals to cache, and then we set its value. There we go. So now it's going to be called cache. It shouldn't. Let's see. Okay, let's try and change this to like. Oh. No, I forgot one thing. The thing we forgot to do is we forgot to see. I forgot to tell you this thing, but you gotta go here. Gotta go to access, I think it is. No, it's not there. Well, you gotta go here. You gotta go to configure game, enable API services, and save. Do that for your game. Go back in here, stop testing, go back here, and it shouldn't error in any way now. I mean, it could error, but I don't really know if it will. It's gonna save the data at least, but I don't know. So it's saying instance is not allowed in data store. Player's name, player. Where the leader stats. The leader stat. Oh my god, I forgot to say that value. Oh yeah, that is great. We are really smart, and it didn't save. So my data store. Yeah. Data, get async player user. Player user ID, come up player list. Data, set async. Get async. Oh yeah, it shouldn't error now. It shouldn't error. So that's very funny. Let's see. Great. This is weird. Oh yeah, there we go. It adds me to here. You can see we have like 0. I don't know why it took 10 seconds for it to add it. Let's look into that. So that's the data store, the global leaderboard. Yeah, that's really interesting. Maybe if I was to remove that, we would crash. So if I just wait 10, it's gonna call the handler function first instead of adding it like 10 seconds later. But see, to test it here as well, we're gonna do 2 players, because with 2 players it's just gonna be easier. Yeah. And let's see. Great. We're loading in. Oh, perfect. Weird. Player 2 and player 1. So you can see currently top is number 1, but that's soon to be changing. Never mind. 1 second. Let's see. This game should be filtering enabled, and this, by the way, will work for filtering enabled too. So player 1, I kind of want you to be richer than my main account. Oh, and then top. So you will have $1. So now we're just gonna, yep, perfect. See, so that's how it works. It's very nice and simple. I can even crash the server there. I can play here. I'll show you here as well. See, it's going to show player 1 is richer. I'll publish this. I'll show you in the server. But that's basically how to do that. It's so easy. It seems hard, but it's not hard. So I'm just gonna do not add it to there. The reason I do this is so other people can also join, just in case they want to. But it's so easy to do it, and this tutorial is kind of long, but it's worth it. It's something you can use in games. I see player 1, top, player 2. I'll go here, and I could give myself money here. But if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to let me know. Drop a like down below if you did like it, and yeah, it's been me, Top777 or TKM UK, and I'm out.